How to create a digital business card in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a quick look at how you can get started with creating a digital business card in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, to get started with Canva, all you have to do is head on over to canva.com. You can create a free account on Canva, and you don't need any paid tool or paid item for this kind of business card. So, once you're on Canva, there is another site we will be using. It's called QR Code Monkey. Now, this is free to use, there is no registration process, you don't have to create an account, it's absolutely free. But Canva does have like a inbuilt QR code generator. If you want to integrate that application, you can choose to do that as well, but that has a sign up. So if you don't want to sign up into multiple places for something you could do for free, you can use QR Code Monkey, but the sign up version allows you a lot more creativity with the overall design. So once you're on Canva, you want to go into your search bar and you just want to search for a business card. This will yield multiple different templates for business card. Now, what is the difference between a normal business card and a digital one? Now, a digital business card usually has one side as like a normal business card, and your other side has a QR code that can actually lead back to your business card. So you can create like a QR code that's like themed as your business card. And if someone is like, hey, I want your business card, you just show them the QR code, they scan it, and they get all the information directly into their phone. Or the QR code could be representative of the business website, of the e-commerce store, of your portfolio, whatever link you want to link. So usually, if it's for like a specific particular website, like let's say I want to do it for my photography, I would just link it to my photography portfolio or website. So let's get started into building this digital business card. So first off, now I can pick out any template I want. There are so many different color schemes and templates you can pick out from. It really is, your oyster. Whatever you want, you can pick it. So I think I'm gonna just pick something nice and cute and simple. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna click on customize this template and we're gonna get started. So this is a cute little template. I will change the name and enter my own name. So I've just entered my own business name and you can remove the pre-existing logos and enter your own logos. Now over here on the second page, you have all the information and the specific information about the person. So this is just Jane Doe. And then I'm just going to enter all of my information. You can really add whatever you want. So like so, and I would just enter all of my information. If you want to include any other kind of information, you can just click on the element and you can find logos for anything. You can find multiple different text fonts you can choose and you can really customize this however you want. So moving on, you have this QR code over here. You just want to delete that and you can go into apps on the bottom left and you have this app called Dynamic QR Code. You can search for it as well and you can add this app to get started with building your QR code. Now, this can be a little difficult. You have to create an account and sign up. So, just for ease of use, I like to go with QR Code Monkey. So, it's QR code monkey.com. Over here, I don't have to sign up and I just go onto the website, copy the link of my website, or if you want to have a QR code on one side of your business card and you want that to link back to the like front of your business card, you can do that as well. So for that, you can click on share on the top right, and then you can click on view only link and you can click on that and then copy the view only link. This is going to lead to a just viewership only link where people can only view the card and not actually edit it. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to create a QR code to add for a link to my website. So I just want to copy this and then I'm going to go into QR code monkey. I'm going to paste it over here. Once I have that, what you're going to do is you can set the color scheme to fit your overall design better. I want my QR code to be like in a white color and the background color can be maybe like a off blue color, like a navy blue or something. I think that is gonna look good. So I think I'm gonna make this one like so, the darker color, a bluish green like this, and then I'm going to make it this lighter. So once I have decided on my colors, you can add a logo image. If you want to include a image, that is totally up to you. You can also choose to include any of these social icons as well. So if you don't have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, you can add a YouTube logo, Facebook logo, anything else. So I don't have a logo, so I'm not gonna add that. And you can also add a custom design. So how you want the shape of your QR code to be. Let's say I want it to be rounded at the edges, so I can select that. And you can have, you have a bunch of different shapes. So you can pick out any kind of body shape that you want. Now, I want a softer QR code because it would fit better with the overall aesthetic of my digital business card. Or you can even choose, make it customized to your branding, whatever is the brand image. You want to make sure you are fitting that brand image. So you can go with like a edgy look if you have an edgy brand. If you have a more soft, feminine brand, you can go with pinker colors, softer edges. So depending on the overall aesthetic that you're going for, you can choose whatever design you want. Once you have picked all that out, all you have to do is click on create QR code. And once this has been created, you just download it. So you can click on dot savage. And once your QR code is being generated, you can see on the top, please do not refresh or close this window. So it's just being saved and you can download it as a SVG. Now, what I recommend, obviously, to make it easier to use on Canva, you're just going to download it as a PNG. You really don't need a fancy PDF or any other version because you're just going to paste it onto Canva. So I'm just going to save it. It's going to take a couple of seconds. And now that it's downloaded, I can just upload it to Canva. You can do a drag and drop method, or you can go into your uploads and upload it. And this is our QR code. So this is linking back to my Jane Doe Studio website. So you can link it to any website, any page, your LinkedIn page, your Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want. Now, if I want my QR code to, like, let's say the front side of this, I want it to maybe link to the other side of my QR code. For that, what I would do is I would just open this up and I would click on share and create a view only link, copy that, and I would go into QR code monkey once more. I would click on enter content. I'm just going to paste that over here. And now I'm going to click on create QR code once more, download this as a PNG, and I would upload it onto the other side of my business card. So this is just a amazing way you can create a digital QR code and that QR code functions as your business card. So once I have the PNG downloaded, I'm going to drag and drop it, and just like that, this little QR code is going to link back to my business card. Now, another great feature you should definitely incorporate is hyperlinking. So you see this text over here, like this entire section, I would just click it like this, and then I would click on these three dots over here. So you want to click on group first, then you can click on these three dots and you can see this option called link. You want to link it, and what you want to do is you just want to copy and paste that specific kind of link. So this is a link to my website or Gmail, whatever you want to link it to. So if it's a Instagram, Facebook, or website link, you want to make sure you input that as well. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.